Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this video we're in a little Volvo C30 here, and I really wanted to demonstrate this X-Tool D9 kit, which is probably one of the best tools on the market. It's a D9 Pro kit, one of the best tools on the market that X-Tool have produced, and it's really just a really short demonstration of this tool, just being able to do a few little functions here on this particular Volvo. You can see we've got the airbag warning light, we've got the airbag warning light there, we've got the seatbelt there, but that's just because I haven't got the seatbelt on. We've also got the ABS and traction controls, and if I scroll through the message sender, if we look on here, we've also got an engine system service required. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, this is a wireless tool, so we actually have got a dongle plugged into the diagnostic port, which is down there, and we've got a wireless connection here. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, just go through the motions of actually diagnosing and resetting these faults and show you basically how this tool would work in the real world. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Diagnosis first of all, and what I'm going to show you in this video really just doesn't even touch the surface of the overall capabilities of this tool. But I just wanted to sort of maybe put something out there and show you just a little bit of what it can do. So it's a C menu, it's a C30, it's a 2008. Click OK to that, and we'll go system selection. So this gives us like a huge range of systems that we could potentially diagnose in this vehicle. Now the list of systems that you see here will really depend on your vehicle that you're in. This is a 2008 vehicle, so there's not a great deal of system coverage or systems that we can diagnose because it's an older vehicle. There just aren't that many systems. One thing I forgot to say actually is that I will pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. There are fakes, there are clones, they can damage your vehicle, so if you want to make sure you are getting the genuine and official tool, just use the link in the description below. Okay, so first of all, what I think we'll do is we'll have a look at the ABS system. So we're looking at the anti-lock braking system. Just click onto that. It will connect. I'm trying to get an angle where we can see the tool and the warning lights on the dashboard at the same time. So we're going to read trouble code, and this is the fault that we were getting: ABS 0020, signal fault of front right wheel speed sensor or wheel sensor. So we've put the new ABS sensor in. But we're still getting the warning lights, the fault code is still there. We purely just need to click on clear trouble code. That'll get rid of the warning lights, and that'll tell the ECU that we have fixed the problem. So when we do this, it's got clear trouble code successfully. So keep an eye on the warning lights now as I back out of this ABS system. It's flashing, the ABS light is flashing, it'll go steady, then I guess it'll turn off. So let's just see what it'll do. There we go. ABS lights have gone off, and that's characteristic of how this vehicle works. Some vehicles work differently, but this one requires the reset like that. We can go back into it. I've come out a bit too far here, so if we go back into 2008, we'll do the same for the airbag system. So if we find the airbag, which is this one here, Supplemental Inflatable Restraint System, SRS. This was just a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. But these were the two fault codes that we were getting. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to put the seatbelt on just so it doesn't cause any confusion here. Right, so you can see the seatbelt light has gone off as I plugged it in, and we're going to click on clear trouble code for the airbag system. So click yes to that, and then again, same again, just keep an eye on the airbag light on that dashboard. Clear trouble code successfully, and then sometimes this light can take maybe 10-15 seconds, but you can see it's gone off there straight away. So that is really good. So all we're really left with now is the engine system service required message. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's the message that we're left with. So if I click onto engine type, click on the diesel engine, and then read trouble code. This is the trouble code that we've been getting for the ECM too high mass airflow sensor signal and faulty mass airflow sensor signal. We do need to replace the MAF in this. We just haven't been able to do it in time for this video. So that's what we need to do, but that is, you know, basically an example of how you would diagnose it. Once you put the new MAF sensor in, then it's a case of just coming back, clicking on clear trouble codes, and it will get rid of that message. Okay, Depending on the severity of the engine fault, you might get a check engine light, or you might just get an engine system service required message, okay? But it covers a huge range of manufacturers, and not only for like all systems, but what it does is it also has like a huge range of service or special functions as well. So you can see a lot of this. This is just a quick snapshot of what it can do, okay? But yeah, so that's the Xtool D9 Pro. It's a fantastic dealer high-level tool, and I'll pop the link to this kit in the description. As I say, fakes and clones do exist, so it's best to follow the link in the description. That will take you directly to the genuine and official product, okay? Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helps.